Today we're going to take a look at the sliding disc reverse lunges. This is where we're doing a reverse lunge, but instead of stepping and having a nice secure positioning, we're going to slide our foot out and then slide it back in. So it allows you to maintain contact with the ground. However, you have to press that back leg into the floor. So there's a little more tension on that front working leg. So these are just disc sliders, furniture movers, but you can also buy the disc sliders for this purpose. Just make sure that it's on a surface that slides, and I like to put my foot on a secure surface that's somewhat sticky so that I know that I'm not going to slide around with that front leg, because this is the leg that's doing most of the work. Chest tall, back flat, hands on the hips. You can put your hands in front for balance. We're going to go ahead and slide back. Try not to bang your knee on the floor and slide that disc back together. So not only does it work, obviously, the leg in front, it also works the leg behind. And since you're sliding this knee back in, there's a little bit of the hip flexor component in there as well. So you're going to go ahead and complete for the number of reps. Take like a 15 to 20 second break to allow this leg to recover a little bit, because since it's working here and I go and switch sides, it's still working, even though it's the sliding leg instead of the working leg. So we'll go ahead and finish all of those reps for the opposite side, and then decide if you want to stay at the same number of reps, maybe go up in reps by 2 to 5 reps, or we can start adding external load with the aid of dumbbells, either low dumbbells or the goblet style.